Hi guys, I'm back again with some exciting surprise. This is a mother bird, and this bird has laid one egg which has hatched to a beautiful young baby bird. Now, now let's see how it protects its very own baby bird. I am going to take a small stick here and put it near the mother bird. See how it protects it. Ready? Steady, go. See how it's bulging? Whoa! It really hit the stick. See how it's so protective, and see how it bulges its wings so nice. I really love this. And one day it's very small tiny but will go big, 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 big. A new mother bird. Then again lay. I hope you guys like the surprise. Thank you.